Hello, my name is Janet Gonzalez. I 48. I 14-year old. Occupation. I marry. I work as psychology and company of the health. Um, I am very strong. Joyful. I'm very demanding person. In the labor field consider me to life, a tolerant and comprehensive person. I love my family. Um, I currently live on the city Cartagena, very close to the sea and the 40th story building. My office is the living is curriculum. My curriculum is individual. Classes I glass because on the coordinator of um, human manager and surfing on the documento with the work as well the confidential information I have on the with to the chain I cause runs and the working coming. I also have on the core bar where it with the most important is in the working for SUS and the bring day vacation. My working group and the couple were the share and the developing and the welfare program.